Another day, another video. Today I'm redoing the trailer bearings on the ATC. This is the last one for today, but I've gotten the other side all done. Anyways, all these sides are good. The oil seal on this one was actually kind of going bad, so some of the grease was peeking out past the seal, but at the same time it didn't ruin the drums or anything like that. This is the troublesome one. I think I have to readjust the shoes possibly before I can actually pull this out. And here's a good shot of the real bad wheel bearing, or potential wheel bearing. There was a little bit more play than I'd like on this. As you can see, the grease seal failed, so grease is peeking out. And this is what the spindle looks like. I'm hoping once I get this grease off, there's nothing wrong with the spindle itself, but it looks like there's been all types of grease mixed up. You got the green marine grease, you got the black like lithium type grease or moly grease, and then you got the red Mobil 1 stuff that I've been using. So it looks like I didn't ruin the drum, because the grease, yeah, it got flung around in there, but not out here. And then the drum itself was okay. But there you go, joys of trailer ownership. I also kind of fixed the droopy fender on this guy, and I kind of spent a bunch of time hammering the welded part a little bit flatter. I found out that I do need to learn how to TIG weld pretty soon, because these steps, the tack welds that hold these on, are actually kind of loose. With the screws on, it's fine, but if you look all the way in there, actually you can't even see it. If you look up there, like, that tack weld is broken off. Anyways, let's take a look at the inside of the garage where I'm doing all the repacking. Get the fan off. Okay, so bought a new set of seals. I bought extra bearings just in case, but I'm not going to undo these unless that front one bearing is kind of bad. And now it just started storming, so that kind of sucks. Anyways, repacking wise, I did it by hand the first time I got it, and I'm going to be using this bearing packer, OEM Tools bearing packer, the second time around. It saves a lot of time. And then with a Rockwell jaw horse, you throw it in here, you pump with your foot, and it squeezes all the old black grease, the dirty grease out, and then you fill it with new Mobil 1 grease, as you can see here. Other tips, I throw this drum into the jaw horse also, and then use my seal pullers to pull out the seal. I destroy these every single time, but seals are cheap, so you don't really have to worry about it. And then I follow Dexter's advice with resealing the oil seal, and they say just smear some RTV on the outer perimeter of the seal before you drive it in, and I drive it in with a wood block, and you are good to go. Since I'm not replacing the bearings, the races are staying in, and that's kind of a quick little trailer update on what's going on right now. So thank you guys for watching.